Hello there. I'm going to be renting out 1,360 square feet of my building in the front, the storefront. It's located on Gulfport Boulevard, which is the main thoroughway to the beaches off of 275. It comes with a signboard. There's, I don't know, what do you call that? Signboard? Yeah, sure. Next to McDonald's. Offers handicap parking and I believe 6 spaces of parking. It's a freestanding building on the north side, facing south, so you get good light. You got enough wall space there to make a mural advertising your business. My phone number is 727-204-7305. The address is 5125 Gulfport Boulevard. So we entered it. This is what you're looking at. It's gutted. The track lighting can stay if you want. Everything works in the track lighting. I expect it to work when you finish your lease and be maintained. Your bathroom is ADA. Your egress is there, another bathroom. This is the door separating you from me. I work in the back. This is the wall that I built. You'll need to drywall, you'll need to mud it. So this is the space. As you can see, the floor definitely needs some work. You're responsible for insurance. You are responsible for utilities and rent. Rent is $1,600. There's 2 fans and there's AC here. I personally don't use AC. The AC unit is in the back. We can discuss that later. But the rent is $1,600 plus utilities plus insurance. The building across the way there that says Last Century 21, it looks like, Bridgewater. That used to be an old golf shop. They're asking $1,500 for that, and it's about 150 less square feet. And it's on the south side of the road, which is kind of nasty and no parking. So, if you're interested, please contact me. Again, my phone number is 727-204-7305, located at 5125 Gulfport Boulevard. Thank you very much. My name is Mike.